So it's nice day today. सन भी निकला था और हम लोग योग करेंगे। तो हर महीने करते हैं, लेकिन एक महीने में एक बार योग का कोई फायदा नहीं, ठीक है ना। तो योग करने के लिए जरूरी है कि रेगुलर एवरीडे किया जाए। तो मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन ये है, योग करने से पहले कि सबसे ज्यादा एक्सपेंसिव चीज आपके पास क्या है? हेल्थ, फिजिकल हेल्थ, मेंटल हेल्थ। ना आपकी फरारी, ना आपकी घर, महल, पैलेस कुछ भी एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है। आपकी हेल्थ सबसे ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है। और सबसे ज़्यादा इन्वेस्ट टाइम और मनी हमको अपने हेल्थ पे करना चाहिए। और हम वो ही नहीं करते, बाकी सब काम करते हैं। मन की खुशी के लिए हम मूवी दिखाते हैं थिएटर में जाके $20 की टिकट लेके, और जीभ की खुशी के लिए हम ढोकले खा लेते हैं, ठीक है। लेकिन शरीर को सुख देने के लिए, जब तक ये शरीर सुखी नहीं रहेगा, हमारी किसी भी, ना तो हमें मूवी देखने में मजा आएगा, ना हमें ढोकले खाने में मजा आएगा, अगर इधर उधर हाथ पैरों में दर्द होता रहेगा तो ये हमारा सीनियर ग्रुप है। और सीनियर ग्रुप से मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि अब तो योग रोज करें, अपनी दिनचर्या में योग को शामिल करें। योग की मेरी क्लासेस चलती हैं एवरी सैटरडे। मैं उनको एक्सटेंड करूंगी 2 times a week और 3 times a week, डिपेंड अपॉन द हाउ मेनी पीपल वांट्स। और उसका कुछ पोर्शन मंदिर में डोनेट होता है, तो आप कभी भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। और कभी का मतलब कभी नहीं है कि अब दिवाली के बाद करेंगे, दशहरे के बाद करेंगे, होली के बाद करेंगे, आज ही करें, ठीक है। सो प्रण करिए कि अपनी हेल्थ के लिए आज से ही योग शुरू करें। तो सब लोग अच्छे से दूर दूर स्पेस करके बैठ गए। लेट्स टेक अ लॉन्ग डीप ब्रेथ इन, इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल। अभी हम चेयर योगा कर रहे हैं। अगर हम रोज करेंगे तो हम पूरा पावर योगा तक कर सकते हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बुढ़े हो गए, हम नहीं कर पाएंगे। लेट्स डू इट अगेन। इनहेल अप, एक्सहेल डाउन। वन मोर टाइम। इनहेल अप, exhale down. Let's put your hands on your thighs. Let's take a long deep breath from your nose and exhale while making a pout, और whistle बना के धीरे धीरे exhale करेंगे। Let's do it again. Inhale, 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 inhale. Fill your lungs and small pause, and now exhale slowly. Let's energize your body. Let's do it again. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Now let's hold. 3, 2. Exhale out slowly and gently. Beautiful. Let's do one more time. Long deep breath in. Fill your lungs, expand your lungs, and hold. 3, 2. Exhale. Nice. Let's shake your hands. Shake, shake, shake. Bring your hands up. So I have a tear on my right hand, so my right hand is not going to reach where my left hand is. So focus and think your limitations. According to your limitations, do that. Okay. So put your hands up. Hand fingers open. Inhale, and when you're going to pull down, exhale. Okay. Inhale, exhale. Close. Inhale up, exhale down. Let's do it 20. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Keep going. Keep going. I'm counting. Don't worry. I'm not gonna extend more than 20. Good. 10, 9, 8, 7. Inhale and exhale. You should listen to your inhaling, exhaling sound. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake, 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 shake. Nice. Good. Let's spread your arms like an aeroplane. Good. Sitting tall. Sit all the way back to your chair. Sitting tall, back rested on your back. Nice. Lengthening your spine. Good. Now let's rotate. Gentle rotation, not too big. Very gentle. We are just working on our joint. That's it. Gentle rotation. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now rotate other way. Good. Keep going. Gentle rotation. Nice, nice, nice. Now palm up. Good. Inhale and exhale. Shake your hands. We're going to do one more time. Hands like this. Now a little bit bigger rotation. Whatever direction you want to do that, and we're going to switch it. Okay? So keep your abs in. Little bit bigger. Good. 4, 3, 2. Now switch your direction. Good. Lot of people have at this age the frozen shoulder and all those issues. This is the perfect exercise for that. Good. Now palm up. Inhale and exhale. Shake, 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 shake. Nice. Let's move a little bit forward on your chair. Good. Sitting tall. Hold the chair with your hands and lift your right leg. Lift. Now press with your heel. Keep pressing. Keep pressing. 4, 3, 2. Now point your toes. Point, point, point. Hold it there. Abs in. As long as you can. If it is uncomfortable, you can bring that down. Bring your leg down. Let's switch your leg. Sitting tall. Abs in. Press with your heel. Nice. Nice smile. Come on. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Little bit more push. So you're going to stretch your calf. And now point. Point, 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 point. Nice. And bring it down. Alright. Now lift your heel up. Okay. And bring it down. So we are not touching. So little bit more forward. You are sitting wherever you are sitting. That's perfectly fine. Bring your leg a little bit forward. And down and up. Down and up. So you are not touching the ground. Before touching the ground, let's do it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now both legs apart, right? And let's do it. Stretch in this way. So we are going to also stretch on other side. Nice. Good. Bring it down. Other way. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Good. And bring it down. Now sit back. Both legs straight. Sit back. All the way back. So you will have a good balance. All the way. Now press. Press with your heel. So we are already warmed up our calf. Keep pressing. Abs in. Nice and tight. Now point your toes. Point, point, point. And now let's rotate. Both legs. Good. Working on your ankles. Okay.
This is a very good exercise for if you're driving the car.
No comment.
Nice. Wonderful. Good. Bring that down. Good. Let's put your feet a little bit wide. Okay. All right. Now this time we are going to touch our elbow to the opposite knee. Try to touch. If you cannot, that's fine. Try it. 8, 7. We are working on our backbone to make it flexible. Good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Let's bring your arms one more time. Good. Sitting tall, abs in. Now press. Just pressing, not swinging. Don't swing. Feel like you're pressing the ball down. Good. 8, 7, 6. Abs in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Palm up, facing up. Sitting tall, chest wide, open. Now push. Just push. So you are not using this. You just arm. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your both fingers together, interlace. Put behind your head and keep pressing your head against your palms. Keep pressing. Again, this right arm is not working fine, so my posture is not that great. I want you to open your elbow as much as possible. So it's like this. This hand is not going. Good. Bring your hand down. Shake. Put your right hand on your right temple and keep pressing. 4, 3, 2. Bring your hand down. Let's do other side. Nice. Beautiful. Good. Let's do one more time. Arms like this, and I'm gonna hold my chair with the same hand, the same side, and other hand try to reach and hold the chair. So we are twisting our back. Bring your hands back. Inhale again and exhale. Hold. Keep breathing. Don't stop breathing. Can we stand up, everyone? I want to stand up, and nobody is that old that we cannot stand up, right? बैठे बैठे बहुत हो गया, right? पूरा सीजन निकल गया 1 साल. Okay, पीछे खड़े हो जाएंगे चेयर के. चेयर को पकड़ के अपनी चेयर को पकड़ लीजिए. गुड गुड. तो मैं साइड बेस करती हूँ तो आपको दिखेगा मैं टोज पे जा रही हूँ और नीचे लेके आ रही हूँ, राइट? और ग्राउंड को टच नहीं करना है, ठीक? गुड. लेट्स डू इट. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Shake your legs. Let's do it again. Keep going. Keep going. Good. 8, 7. You're not touching the ground, right? No. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake, shake, shake. Let's bring your one leg back, one leg forward. Okay? So knees are not folded. Both knees are straight, right? Good. And bring your back. So look, my back leg is straight. And now I'm going to fold and press. Like this. So knee and ankle is same 90-degree angle. And I'm stretching whole my back leg. Good. Take a support from the chair. Nice. Good. Come back. Let's do other side. Both legs straight, and then now you are pushing your forward leg for 90-degree angle, and don't lift your heel, back heel. Four, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Let's one more time pump it up. We are calm. Keep pumping. Good, good. We started late today, so hopefully we can finish on time. Nice. Let's come back on your chair. If everybody is feeling good, then next time we're gonna do more exercise while we are standing. Because yoga, sitting or chair yoga is not bad, but we are much better than, just sit down and doing yoga. Okay, so let's do inhale, exhale, inhale your hand down, exhale, fold, inhale, right hand down, left hand down, bring your left hand up, right hand down, look your upper hand, 4, 3, 2, bring your hand down, inhale all the way up, and exhale. Let's do it again. Inhale, exhale. So while you exhale, don't bring here. Open your chest wide. So squeezing your shoulder blade. Exhale, inhale, fold. When you are folding, fold from your hip joint, not from your backbone. So fold, lengthening your spine. Exhale, inhale, hands down. Lift your other arm up. This hand is not going up. 4, 3, 2, bring your hand down. Inhale again and exhale. So this is a Surya Namaskar for yoga, for chair yoga. Alright, again inhale up, exhale, open your chest, inhale, fold, lengthening your spine, both hands down, right hand up, bring your right hand down, inhale all the way up, You're gonna do a little bit faster. Exhale down. Inhale again. Exhale, open your chest. Hands on your thighs. Fold yourself from your hip. Bring your both hands down. Lift your right arm up. Look your upper arm. Bring your hand down. Inhale all the way up. And exhale. Last set. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Exhale. Hands on your thighs. Fold. Both hands down. Right arm up. Look your upper arm. Bring your arm down. Inhale again. Exhale down. One last time. Inhale. Exhale. Hands on your thighs. Fold. Bring your hands down. Lift your right arm up. Bring your arm down. Inhale. And exhale. Shake, 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 shake. Let's do namaste. All right. Okay. Now, this time we're going to press our palm as hard as we can. Bring your abs in. Bring abs in and keep pressing, keep pressing, keep pressing. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake, 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 shake. Everybody's doing good?
Yes.
Louder.
Yes.
Camera is on. Come on, louder. Yes. All right. Okay. So we are going to move now for a little bit pranayam. Okay. So as I said that we started late, so we have to finish a little bit faster. We have few more programs to, for today. So okay. So both hands on your lap. Keep your eyes closed. Shlok, can you dim the light a little bit down? And close the kitchen door, please, someone. Now, take a long deep breath in, eyes closed. Everybody sit down. This is a beautiful exercise of pranayam. Just sit down on the chair or anywhere, comfortable. Yes. Everybody, Shlok, you also do that. Inhale, 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 inhale. Exhale from your mouth. Same thing we were doing in the beginning. Again, inhale, long deep breath in. Exhale down. Inhale again. Exhale. Nice. Someone can close the door for the kitchen door, please? Or ask them to stop working and come outside for 5 minutes. Keep your eyes closed. Focus on your breath. Now we are going to do Anulom Vilom. So slowly and gently open your eyes and use your thumb to press the one nostril and inhale from other side. Long inhale. And now press with your 2 fingers other side and exhale out. Now inhale again. Long deep breath in and exhale out. Keep doing. Nice, beautiful rhythm. If your hand get tired, then use other hand. Keep your eyes closed. Focus on your breathing. We're going to do a few more. bring your hand down. Nice. So what happens, this exercise is very good for sinus. This open all your passage from here to here. So if you have any cold or anything, this is the main area is get clogged, right? So right now every other person is sick, the weather is so bad and hot and cold. So this is the perfect exercise to do it at least once a day for 1 minute, 2 minutes, as long as you can do. And I also want to talk about the fat today. Like last time I talked about the sugar. As I am nutritionist, so I feel this is my duty to, when I do the yoga session, I just inform little bit about fat. So we have a fat in, everybody has a little bit fat here and there. The fat is like a two kind of fat, right? One is outside, one is inside, subcutaneous and visceral fat. The subcutaneous fat which you can hold it, right? This is not bad, but the visceral fat is really bad, which covers your heart, your liver, your digestive system. So that fat is really bad. So why this happens? Definitely bad lifestyle, eating samosas and all those things. आज ही तो खाया है, 4 दिन बाद खाया है, आज रसगुल्ला खा लेते हैं, बहुत दिन बाद खाया है, तो कुछ ना कुछ करके, एक्सरसाइज ना करके, ये सब करके हम उस फैट को इंक्रीज करते जाते हैं. तो से फिर से बात वहीं पे आ जाती है जहाँ से मैंने शुरू कर दी कि योग करें, एक्सरसाइज करें, कुछ भी करें, जहाँ पे भी आप जो भी ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी जरूर ज्वाइन करें और कुछ ना कुछ अपने आप को एक्टिव रखें और हेल्दी लाइफ स्टाइल रखें. कि विसरल फैट इज़ अ वेरी बैड फैट बिकॉज इट कैन क्रिएट अ डायबिटीज़, इट कैन ऑल्सो गिव द हार्ट स्ट्रोक और बहुत सारी बीमारियाँ. सो दिस इज द इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट विच आई रियली वांट टू शेयर. Okay, and there's a lot of way you can reduce the visceral fat that we can discuss some other time. We don't have that much time. All right, now keep your eyes closed one more time. Couple of breath here. Focus on your breath. Now take a long deep breath in. Hold your breath. Now exhale. Now this time, just listen to me and follow. Keep your eyes closed, sitting tall, hands relaxed. Take a long deep breath in and keep your mouth closed, lips tight, and squeeze your face as long as you can while holding the breath. Okay, so let's do it. Take a long deep breath in, tight lips, close, squeeze your face. Keep squeezing, hold the air on your face, inside the face, and when you are done, let it go. Let's do one more time. Inhale. Squeeze. And let it go. Keep your eyes closed. Lift your shoulders all the way to your ears. Keep lifting. Eyes relaxed and closed, faces relaxed and calm. And now pull your both shoulders down as much as you can. Keep pulling down. Pull. Nice. Now bring it to the normal position. And now bring your both shoulders back. Keep pushing your shoulders back. Chest open. Shoulders back, shoulder blades are squeezed, sitting tall. Now bring your both shoulders forward, chest in, and release. Just gentle rotation, back and forth, couple of times. Keep your eyes closed, couple more breaths here. We don't have time for meditation today, but we're going to focus on our breath for 30 seconds. Now slowly and gently open your eyes. Both arms on your side. Both hands together. भगवान को प्रणाम करेंगे, Almighty God को प्रणाम करेंगे. Bring your hands down. Namaste. One more time. Inhale, 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 inhale. Up. Exhale. Both hands together. Hands to heart. Bow. Exhale. Namaste. Thank you for joining. And if anybody wants to register, you can register for yoga sessions. So you can do at least 3 or 4 times a week. All right. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Hello, hello.